Hey everyone, Storm Door Guy here, and today I'm going to do a no BS honest review of the Larson Pet Door. Again, the Larson Pet Door. This model has an oversized pet door. It's about 14 inches by 23 inches. A standard pet door size is 10 by 17, so this is for the larger dogs. Let's get into this. So this door does not have a key, a lock, so you can't unlock it from the outside. From the inside, there is a lock mechanism here. You lift this up, that locks the handle into place, which means you can lock the door. Be careful if this door closes behind you while this is in the raised position or the locked position, it will lock you out. So we're just going to go ahead and unlock that right now. This is a nice solid flap. It's a very thick plastic, and there's a magnet at the bottom here so that the bottom of the door flap catches and remains sealed. You've got two little push button sliders here to move the window up and down. You've got a full screen behind that. One door closer that goes at the top. Another thing that I like is this is a pre-mortise door latch. It latches into the door frame instead of the little L bracket that mounts on the door jamb there. So you've got weather stripping right here, which seals against the door. Speaking of weather stripping, on the bottom you have a single layer weather stripping. One thing I don't like is this weather stripping is attached to the plastic expander, so if this goes bad you can't replace it, you have to replace the whole expander. And then lastly, since it's a pet door, it also comes with a plastic cover. If you don't want your pet to go in and out, you just pull on this little latch right here, and that's how this extends, and that's how you slide this in and out of the door. So that is my no BS review of the Larson Pet Door. For more tips and tricks on storm doors or reviews, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, or visit me at stormdoorguy.com.